Hello, and welcome to your beginner-friendly Qigong exercise, which will help you refuel your energy and leave you feeling refreshed. Stand comfortably, bend your knees slightly, relax your body, and soften your neck. For our tapping exercise, form claws with your fingers. Start tapping your lower ribs. Keep your shoulders relaxed during this exercise and continue to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Gradually move upwards towards your chest and tap here. Continue tapping up just below your collarbones. Now use your index and middle fingers to tap above your cheekbones and below your eyes. Relax your eyes while tapping here and apply only gentle pressure. Tap outwards to the side of your face and down to your jaw. Then lower to tap below your lips. Great. Relax your arms and notice how you feel. Now rub your palms together and build up some warmth. And then place them on your face. Take your time to spread the warmth across your face by gently rubbing it in. And then run your hand over your head, down to the neck. Move around to the front, smooth your face, and run your fingers through your hair, down to the back of your neck. Keep repeating this movement a few times. Now flick your fingers and shake your arms. engage your shoulders into your movement and imagine shaking off everything that weights you down. And then engage your whole body by lightly bouncing on your legs. Be fully present with yourself here, for it is not about how the movement looks from the outside or what others might think of you. You're also invited to close your eyes, let the movement come from within, no matter what it looks like on the outside, and see if you can find your own rhythm that relaxes you more deeply. If you would like to continue, pause the video here. Alternatively, let the movement fade out slowly. And we'll pause here for a moment. Feel the sensation. For our next sequence, raise both arms to shoulder height, then lower them back down. And raise the arms and lower down. Now breathe in as your wrists move upwards and breathe out as you lower your arms. Breathe in as you lift and breathe out as you push down. Now that you're familiar with the movement, start moving from your center. As your arms move up, your hips sink back, and as your arms come down, they lift forward. Move relaxed and without strain. And now with your breath, breathe in as your arms rise and breathe out as your hands descend. Repeat this about 5 times. And the next time you raise your arms, spread your hands out to either side. Bring them back towards your center, keeping your hips engaged throughout the movement. Now open, stretch out to both sides, then slowly close them again. Let's connect this with the breath. Breathe in, open your arms and stretch. Breathe out, push your hips back, relax your chest and close your arms. Breathe in and imagine you're breathing out and sitting on a high stool. Repeat this a few times for yourself. We'll flow directly into the next movement. Turn to the right and swing your left arm out in front. Turn to the left and swing your right arm out in front. Always swing with one arm up whilst the other swings behind you and down. This movement helps stimulate blood circulation, loosens the fascia, and massages the spine and upper shoulder area. You're welcome to do this exercise as often as you like if you have just a little time during the day. You can exercise for 2 to 10 minutes at a pace that suits you to recharge and feel revitalized. Great. Slow down again and pause for a cycle of breath. Now bring your hands together in a scooping motion up along the center of your body. Pull them apart over your head, lower through the sides, bend forward, scoop, bring them up over your head and down along the sides. With this movement, you create a gold protective shield around your body. A shield that firstly filters out the positive and keeps the negative away from you, and secondly protects your energy field and wraps you in a golden light bubble. Enjoy a few repetitions of this for yourself. Finally, place your hands on your lower abdomen, bring your feet together, and take a few deep breaths. You are invited to close your eyes and observe what you can perceive in your body at the moment. Thank you for sharing this moment with me today. May you go about your day feeling refreshed, energized, and filled with clarity. Lots of love to you. See you next time.